Installing Microsoft TTF fonts on Ubuntu. I want to install a Microsoft Vista TTF font, let's say Consolas, on Ubuntu 9.04, Jaunty Jackalope. How do I go about doing that?
This article explains how to install the Microsoft fonts on Ubuntu step by step. It's part of the Universe repository. This article explains how to install the Vista fonts, which includes Consolas on Ubuntu. You need to extract the fonts from the Microsoft PowerPoint viewer. If you've got a Windows machine handy, now, but I think you need a Vista license in order to legally use the Consolas font, copy the file somewhere convenient. Then in a terminal, check out this script. Linetricks is a quick and dirty script to download and install various redistributable runtime libraries.